Recently, I got my hands on this amazing Reobrix model, the G2000 diesel locomotive, complete with its own display base. I bought it mainly because I love this locomotive. It's massive with awesome stickers and a lot of details, but as always, I want to play with it. So here we are again, turning another display model into something functional, adding motors, putting it on the tracks, and having fun. I already have plans for reusing the base and the crane, but that will be for the next video. Let's start checking the wheel axle connection. As you can see, the axles are in fixed 1x2 Technic bricks, and they can move. In addition, there are no proper bogie. Everything is fixed to be displayed on the straight track for displaying only. We need to create room for the bogies to swivel. So first thing first, we need to shift back the Technic bricks on the base. The cabin blocks will be less overlapped, but it will be okay. Then we need to compare the height and axle center of the Lego train motor and the current static 1x2 Technic bricks. As you can see, the motor will easily fill all the height and it will be stuck. We need to lower it, adding one Technic plate with holes to let the motor swivel. This is the cabin block. It's attached for 2 studs only. We need to fill in the gaps with 2x4 plates. To support the cabin block, we will add 2x3 flat plates to help sustaining the cabin weight. This will be the hole to insert the train motor pin. Here we go, the motor swivel freely. When you'll build the 2 cabin blocks, you'll notice that the 2 chairs will be a bit inclined. This is quite bad at the view, and the chair is not well attached. We could easily fix it adding 2 1x1 plates on the cylinder. Now the chair is well placed and it's not inclined. This is the second bogie. I kept it very simple to let me test it easily. I will add details and snot patterns in the future. We could easily add a 2x2 tunnable centered on the odd offset using 4 1x2 modified bricks. To avoid bogie to block during rotation, we could add 1 3x3 and 1 1 2x3. We should add also a couple of rounded 2x2 inverted bricks, again, to avoid the bogie to block during rotation. To add the power functions battery box and the receiver, we need to remove all the internal mechanical details like the motor, the tank, and so on to create room for the components. We can keep in position the LEDs using a car light brick in the center of the roof of the cabin. And finally, we made it. We lower the enclosure, lay the model on track, add a couple of wagons, and go. Stay tuned for the next part, how to reuse the crane to improve my re-brick train depot. Thanks for watching.